Alright, mga kaswabe. Okay. Isa naman ka madako nga maayong
Seatbelt mo, sir.
adlaw sa inyong atanan, no? Kag sa subong ato ni test drive ang pinakadako nga sinakyan. The best among the best pickup truck. This is not just your ordinary pickup truck because it's a monster pickup truck. This is the BYD Shark DMO. Nagsubong makaupod ko si Sir
Bubot.
Bobot. Okay, Sir Bobot. So before anything else, no, para I'll give myself 30 seconds for the introduction. Okay, so this is the BYD Advanced, BYD Shark DMO Advanced, no? So put ko si Mary again. With that being said, let's go ahead and drive this Shark. Put this to drive, no? Activate na. Okay. Off we go. Let's go sa go. Oh. So right now currently we are driving in a full EV, diba? So we are in a full EV ni siya, mga kaswabe.
Yes, sir.
And yeah, naka full EV ni siya. Let's put into HEV, no? Just to experience the rawness. And actually this car, if you put an indicator whether left or right, the camera will turn on. Sa to ng mga kaswabe, kung mag-drive ka mo ni sa Shark, mapapahuyo ka mo. Mapapahuyo ka mo ya, mga kaswabe. Raptor, Tanland, I don't think so. Raptor that can eat some fuel. Tanland, hybrid but diesel, it can consume. But this one, let's find out. Okay, let's wait for the cars pass by. All right. Okay. Okay. Good to go. Alright. So makitaan mo na yung mga kaswabe. Di siya typical nga pick up nga ginadala niya sa adlaw-adlaw. Actually, sa ini nga DMO nga Shark, ang mambal ko lang ni nagtagitan. Mambal ko lang ni dako gid siya sa may ana kami Ford Ranger eh. Dako ni siya sa Ford Ranger eh. Kung makita ko sa tubangan, ang strada, mas taas siya sa strada. You're driving like an F-150 no matter what. There's a 360 degree, okay gid siya. 2.0 liter engine, gasoline. It's not a big deal because you are before do na disappoint ko gid sa iya nga engine, but because of its electric motor, it's a big difference gid siya. Steering very meaty. The steering wheel itself has a soft, not so soft enough, soft steering. Man, it's just amazing, man. Let me go in at the U-turn and see how this pickup truck performs now, even though you're seeing here in makita kong katapat ko Ford Ranger Raptor na. So compare mo sa Ford Ranger Raptor, as always ini mas makatipid ni because it's a plug-in hybrid, can charge it, and it saves a lot of fuel. May different terrains na siya. It's just absolutely spot, beautiful. Okay, let this pass by. Okay, we're good to go. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. The beast is here. Yeah. In terms of acceleration, mga Ka-Swabe, if you come to think of it, mas dasig ni siya sa, well, the counterpart here is the Chang'an Hunter. So you cannot tell if the Chang'an Hunter is more faster than faster than the BYD Shark, but I think that the BYD Shark has a quick response to it. So it's a big deal. It's a big deal to have this kind of truck. So we are in this horrendous traffic. Lots of cars here. We could not able to perform it in the freeway, like 80 kilometers per hour. It's just and the suspension itself is okay naman. Visibility, good siya. Alright, so let's okay, we are good to go. Mama mia. But they said after this din ta maagi
Sa drop-off area.
sa drop-off area.
Balik sa
Drop-off na kamo.
Sige.
Sige sir. Ditso ta. Ditso ta.
So,
Sige, ditso.
okay,
Okay, pasok.
pasok. Okay.
Sakto to.
Then, pasunod na. Okay. So, then, pasunod doon sa may
Hindi, dito ka mo sa drop-off area.
top of it.
Sa ginpick upan kung yun na sir. Dito man.
Okay. Sige. Alright, so we are nearly there. Overall, the driving dynamics is absolutely amazing, and okay gid siya. Okay gid siya sa robo-robo. Okay? So amo na mga Ka-Swabe ang BYD Shark DMO. No?
Sir.
Okay. So, muna na mga Ka-Swabe, no? Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Ciao!